Have you ever stumbled upon a piece of content so compelling that you couldn't look away? Today, I've got a niche for you with a treasure trove of videos just waiting to be produced. On top of that, it's proven to be profitable. The best part? You don't need a big budget or fancy tools to tap into it. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to unlock the potential of a truly captivating niche that millions can't get enough of. The niche is stories from the Bible and other religious texts. And while it's popular, it's so broad that I can't imagine it will ever get crowded. There are plenty of profitable YouTube channels in this area. They focus on topics like biblical stories, myths, legends. The best part is that using their source material from documents like the Bible, myths, and other religious texts, the topics and angle for this are almost infinite. That means that you should be able to find a corner of the niche that is yours, and something you focus on more and better than your competitors. You could do this for the Bible, but Buddhism and some of the other Eastern religions and philosophies are quite popular, especially stuff surrounding samurai cultures. These do well in both long and short form. Here's a channel called Epic Truth Seekers. They are a channel that explores the captivating world of mythology and mystery, diving into ancient myths and biblical stories. As you can see, some of their videos have over 3 million views, with plenty of other shorts having reached over 1 million views. If you look at Social Blade, they estimate that this channel makes anywhere from $1,000 to $15,000 a month. It's probably somewhere in the middle, just from AdSense. But even if you're making somewhere in the middle, let's say $7,000 or $8,000, that's a pretty sweet return for only 116 videos. The wide range of potential topics and the earning potential makes this a really interesting and potentially profitable niche for us to look at. The first step is that I want to start by grabbing some of these topics as sample ideas. I am going to come to ChatGPT. I'll leave the prompt that I'm using down in the description below. ChatGPT returned a bunch of possible ideas and even gave me some sample images to work with. This is a good start, but I actually want a list of some of these topics. I'm going to use the prompt. Can you give me a list of 50 topics to start with? Now I have a numbered list of possible shorts that we can look at, and I think this is a great starting point. I don't want to use David and Goliath because it feels like that one's probably somewhat overdone in a lot of different niches. But the Leviathan sea monster of the Bible might be a good starting point. Samson and the jawbone of a donkey is an interesting one. I don't know much about it, but it's something that, especially if you strongly believe in the Bible, might resonate. The plagues of Egypt might be a good one. The fiery furnace might be another good one. And Elijah's showdown with the prophets of Baal could also work. I think I'll start with one of these, the Leviathan or the Nephilim. Possibly the direction I'll take with this channel is more creature-based legends. I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to write a script. I'll start with this prompt and hit enter. Perfect. Now I have my script, and you can see little callouts here. If you wanted to dive more into a specific part of the topic, you can click on this link and find it. Depending on what image generator you're using, you could also ask ChatGPT for image prompts. The next step is to jump over to ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is by far the best text-to-speech generator out there, and I highly recommend it if you're using AI voiceovers. I'll leave a link in the description to it and the other tools we use. I want to create a new voice for the channel, so I'll go to Voices, add a new voice, and use Voice Design. This is a good way to create a brand new voice for your channel. Because we're doing a biblical style channel, the prompt I'll use is an 50s American male with a raspy, deep voice, powerful, energetic, and assertive. For the text preview, I'll use the first line of the script so we can get a feel for how it will sound. Using this method, I'll generate voice options. You may have to go through this process a few times. They give you 3 options, but you may need to repeat it to find a voice you like. Once I have my voice, I'll go to the text-to-speech option. I'll paste in 2 or 3 lines at a time and generate speech. I keep the stability and similarity fairly high. I generally don't use high-style exaggeration. I find that these settings give the best output along with using short text blocks. For our images, we'll jump over to Leonardo.ai. Using the new flow state feature, we are going to come up with our images. For the starting prompt, I'm going to use a brief description of the Nephilim, and we'll select the 9:16 aspect ratio. I am going to leave all these settings automatic and see what we get. Okay, so we are already getting some interesting generations. Some of these have a statue-like appearance, which I kind of like, but I do want some live-action ones as well. Cool. Some of these with text in them are pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to save that one. I will continue with this process until I have all the images I need. One thing, if you need a specific image, like for this video, I want to make sure I have something that references the flood, I may back out and reprompt flow state. The last step is to jump into CapCut to do my editing. This can be done in many different ways, but I like CapCut's auto caption feature to make that part quick and easy. Before I show you the final video, make sure to like and subscribe so you see my future videos about viral AI niches and tools. Also, check out my free Skool community where you can connect with other creators looking to grow AI-driven content niches. With that out of the way, let's check out this video.
Have you ever wondered about the mysterious giants mentioned in the Bible? Who were the Nephilim, and what secrets do they hold? According to Genesis 6:4, the Nephilim were the offspring of the sons of God and the daughters of men, described as mighty beings of old, men of renown. Some interpretations suggest that sons of God refers to fallen angels who descended to earth, intermingling with human women, leading to the birth of these giants. These Nephilim were said to possess extraordinary strength and size, dominating the ancient world and leaving an indelible mark on human history. Their existence, however, was short-lived. The Great Flood, as recounted in the story of Noah, was believed to have cleansed the earth of their presence. The tale of the Nephilim remains one of the Bible's most intriguing mysteries, prompting us to ponder the boundaries between the divine and the mortal. What other secrets lie within ancient scriptures?
Simple as that. The possibilities in this space are endless, and there are plenty of viral videos that still need to be made. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips, tools, and strategies to create content that stands out. And don't forget to join my free Skool community to connect with other creators and take your content game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.